Hello and welcome to our English learning series using the shadowing method. In today's lesson, we have chosen the story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit, for our practice. During this lesson, you will listen carefully and practice shadowing, and you will also learn the meanings of the key vocabulary used in the story. Take your time, listen closely, and repeat naturally. Now, let's begin. Listen carefully, repeat after me.
The four bunnies hopped down the path.
Again, listen carefully.
The four bunnies hopped down the path.
Now, your turn. Say it again.